Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can convert a Facebook profile to page. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead first, open up your Facebook app right over here. We're gonna go ahead, go back to home section, and from this section we're gonna go ahead, tap on this profile of ours from this left corner. Now you can see we have a public profile, and if you want to turn this into a page, you will basically find an option of turn on professional mode. I have already turned my profile to a professional. Once you have tapped on the professional mode, you just need to confirm all of these steps. You just need to continue further and have to set up a profile, which will then look like this, which will simply be a board of the page setup. And that's all you need to do. You can go ahead, tap on professional mode to check out further information. Right, that's all you have to do. You have to go ahead, tap on this three dot, and you will be able to find an option of professional mode. I have turned the professional mode on. I'm going to turn it off for now, so you can go through this same process. Close, and again if you tap on, we're going to refresh it, then you can tap on three dot, and you will be able to find this option of turn on professional mode. Tap on it, turn it on, next, choose your suggested, and then to confirm it, and then simply go ahead, tap on again next, simply set it up according to your need, and that will basically be able to, you will be able to create a page from your profile. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.